Hey guys, so there has been a lot of talk lately about the crypto world. Is it on its last legs? I have heard plenty say it's all crashing down. But let's chat about what's really happening. From where I stand, it feels like we're just getting started. Sure, the early days of making quick cash might be fading away. And honestly, that's a not bad thing. We are seeing the space mature, evolving into something way more substantial. Think about it. The projects that were all hype, they are disappearing. And what's left? Real innovation. The kind of work that's going to stick around and change how we interact with the digital world. Blockchain is going to become a part of our lives in ways we might not even notice. Like using the internet or tapping your phone to pay for coffee. It's becoming seamless, integrated into everything we do. So here is my take. The noise, the fear, is just that, noise. What's really happening is a transformation. We're moving into an era where blockchain isn't just the tech savvy, it's for everyone. And that's incredibly exciting. And if you are looking to dive deeper into this world, I've got just the thing for you. Check out my educational crypto blogs. They are designed to demystify the space, breaking down the complex stuff into bite-sized, easy to understand pieces. Whether you are new to this scene or looking to deepen your knowledge, these blogs are for you. So let's keep our eyes on the horizon, yeah? The future is not just bright, it's revolutionary, and I'm here for it. Are you?